Today we will use Numicon and base 10 blocks for our problem solving. Get those tools now if you haven't got them in front of you. Okay, let's look at our problem today. 29 students were on the bus. They're riding this bus. 6 got off the bus. Now, how many students were left on the bus? What does this word left mean? Pause the video and talk about it. Let's look at the word left. That means how many were still on the bus or left over on the bus. We might think of it as there were 29 students on that bus. And then 6 got off the bus. They got off and then some were left. How can we figure out how many were left? Let's start with our Numicon. Get your Numicon tools out and see if you can build this problem. If you're having a hard time where to start, think about, I know at first there were 29 students on the bus. Start there and think through the problem and build it using Numicon. Pause the video now and give it a go. Okay, let's build this problem. We know that at first there were 29 students on the bus, so I'm going to build 29 at first. And then we know that some got off. They got off the bus. Now, I can't take and break this. I can't move them to get off the bus. So what could I do? You can pause the video now and talk about what can I do to take some away. They got off the bus. What did you discuss? Maybe you talked about how we could put the 6 here and we can see that there's these 3 left and there's still 20 and 3 left. So 10, 23 would be left. That might have been one way you built it. Or you might have said, I know I can trade this. It's the same amount, so I can break it by just trading it for new Numicon. And I can see I still have 9, 20 and 9, but now I can take the 6 away. And I can see that I have 20 and 3 left. Let's check our work by using base 10 blocks. Go ahead and take out your base 10 blocks and build this problem again. How would you show how many students were left? Pause the video now and build it with base 10 blocks. Okay, let's talk about it. I know that there were 29 students to start with, so I'm going to get my 29 and I want to organize it in a nice way to be able to see it really easy. So I'm going to organize my 1 so it's so easy to read. Okay, there were 29 students on the bus and 6 got off. 2, 4, 6 got off the bus. They weren't on the bus anymore. How many were left? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. I can see 20 and 3 is 23. We got it correct. Now, how would I show this problem with numbers and symbols? I know we had 29, and then 6 got off, and there were 23 left. What symbols could I put here to have the problem make sense? Well, I had 29. Take away 6 is the same as 23. We say 29 take away 6 is the same as 23.